What's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven here on Facebook Live. Hopefully, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. All right. Vlogging in the rain. Well, it's kind of drizzling right now. Okay. So, welcome to this Dominoes Seven show live stream on Facebook, and hopefully upload it to YouTube and stuff like that. Okay. I guess my last videos was me showing y'all. Well, my last live footage was showing y'all them nachos that I had in the box that I ain't like, Okay, come on in. Well, I'm doing a live stream right now. Okay. I gotta let people know that I'm not talking to myself, Okay. All right. For some of you that don't live in New Orleans, if you're Facebook friends with me, or if you're watching me on YouTube, LSU Health New Orleans, and there's a playground over there. When they put that, all right. So let me go walk to this bus stop just in case the bus is coming, or should I go to this bus stop? Okay. So on my way to the doctor and stuff like that. Today's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Okay. You know what? I shoulda. How y'all doing? You know what? I shoulda post my mom picture. There's a picture in my house of me and my twin brother and my mom. Okay. So today's her birthday. 59 years young. Okay. I wish I had Braylon or Cassidy or Malia with me. I would want them to say happy birthday with me, like Sally Ann Roberts. Happy birthday to my mom. So happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Yeah, Braylon or Cassidy or Malia or Cartier would have helped me out with that. If y'all watch me on YouTube, y'all should know who these babies are. But they're growing up. Okay, Malia getting big. She already lost her first tooth about a couple of months ago, and okay, so well, all I can tell y'all, they're growing up fast. Okay, look at this field. All right, look at this field, everybody. If y'all live in New Orleans, if y'all been in New Orleans before, okay, y'all looking at everything out here, because it wasn't like this before Katrina. I don't remember what was here and what was there a long time ago. I don't remember. I definitely don't remember, folks. Okay, on my way to the doctor. The name of this video was Facebook live stream in the rain, but actually the rain done slacked up. Got this damn jacket for nothing. Sheesh. Okay. All right, wait a minute. All right. I don't know what church that is, So that's a beautiful church. You see that, folks? And I'm sure there's an elevator in there. Okay. I never been in there before, but I'm sure there's an elevator in there, And for some of y'all know Dominoes 7 don't like elevators. Okay. Again, y'all folks sure know that Dominoes 7 does not like elevators. Okay. All right. So dang, come on. For some of you, y'all, if y'all been in this area before, y'all know it didn't look like this before Hurricane Katrina. Where that church been there, I don't know about that building. I don't know about this, Things done changed out here. The New Orleans. Okay. They've been demolishing buildings and everything around here, So They done demolished some buildings and stuff like that. Yeah, they did. Okay. Depends on who I would get on, you know. The bus is coming. Okay, let me go run right here to this bus stop. Okay, I'm about to stop this tape, folks. All right, thank y'all for watching my Facebook Live. Upload it to YouTube. Okay, bye.